New discovery of virtual waves in the world. New discovery of celestial mirages. B. As mentioned in the previous articles, we have a phenomenon in the world, blue shift and red shift, which is the same change in frequency due to changes in the speed of the light source. So, for example, we perceive a green light source that approaches us as blue, or we perceive it as red when it moves away from us. In fact, this change of green light is caused by the speed of its source. This phenomenon is a natural phenomenon that the eye, telescope, or any observer actually perceives, but it's not real. According to Hubble's law, V of h is equal to h multiplied d. If the speed of light sources, which are actually the same galaxies, is 2/10 to 3/10 of the speed of light, we have the red shift and blue shift phenomena. But if the speed is higher than 3/10 of the speed of light, we will have high shift and low shift. We have already calculated that at a distance of approximately 10 to the power of 25 meters up to the 10 to the power of 26 meters, the phenomenon of redshift and blue shift is in the range of visible light. But if the distance is more than 10 to the power of 26 meters, it can be said that in that area invisible objects become visible and visible objects become invisible, and high shift and low shift will begin. For a better understanding, pay attention to the mirage phenomenon on Earth. This is an actual phenomenon. The observer's eye perceives it correctly, but it's not real. Therefore, the universe can be divided into regions as follows. The real region is where the speed of the received light is about the speed of light, and the speed of the light source is much slower than the speed of light. This region is located in cluster area. If we receive a light from outside the cluster, for example from another cluster, we have entered the redshift and blue shift area. We have this phenomenon, redshift and blue shift, maximum in the supercluster. According to the above figure, suppose that we, as observers on Earth and in our galaxy, are located between the center of the universe and the edge of it, or further away from the center. On the other hand, considering that the speed of the Earth around itself is 1,700 km per hour, and the speed of the Earth around the Sun is 100,000 km per hour, and the speed of Earth around the Milky Way galaxy is 800,000 km per hour. It can be predicted that the speed of the Earth around the clusters should be about 2,100,000 km per hour. In fact, it can be said that a cluster, or maximum a supercluster, is a redshift or blue shift area, and the area after the supercluster is called high shift or low shift area. In fact, it can be said that most of the images we perceive are virtual and mirage-like. They are actual but not real. We do not have a comprehensive and complete image. The colors are shifted, the invisible becomes visible, and the visible becomes invisible. Another point is that the calculated distance surely has errors. In fact, it can be said that the calculations have many mistakes. Hint. What is the solution? Using telescopes that work based on the wavelengths of waves, since the wavelength always has a constant value.